Hi again, guys. Now that you've practiced the first half and the second half of Jamaican Jive, we're going to put them together. So make sure you've got your thumb covering up the back hole. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, but yeah, 6 holes covered on the front, and we're ready to start. But the first note we need is A, so take off the fingers you don't need. A, G, 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 A, G. A, G, 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 A, G. Fingers on D, 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 E, D, 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 E. D, 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 E, D, 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 E. Then it goes back to the start, to A. Once you can do those patterns really confidently and you're covering all the holes, then we're ready to put it together with the music. Bye.